Today we're going to do a demonstration on our log lathe. This log lathe can spin up to a 19-inch diameter log, 32-foot long. Today we're going to demonstrate a 10-inch log, and we're going to mill it down to an 8-inch milled log. Now we'll demonstrate the finish cut, which will be done by this vertical mill cutter head. The vertical mill will do several things. One is to put a smooth cut on the log. Another attribute is to put a saddle notch or moon cut in the log. Now you can see, as we demonstrated here, that you can take a 10-inch log and mill it down to a true 8-inch milled log.